Now, most people always get to this stage and they don't even know where to go because they get to the stage of making payment and maybe they didn't have the money. So they decided to maybe wait and pay later. But later on, they can't find even where the button have gone to. So how do you access your platform? So today I'm going to show you how to access the Knowsia Portal once you have already registered for a course. So on this portal, that is where you'll be able to download your certificate. You'll be able to download your receipt for any payment you have made. You will be able to access the Zoom link for the training and any other resources that will be available. If you have been shared a link, you just click on the link. But if not be given any link, you enter red.knowsia.com/portal. So this time it's not programs, but /portal. So once it opens, you see a portal like this. So for the first time, if you have not signed in before, if you have not used it before, this is what will come. So first of all, you enter either your email address or your telephone number as your username. So I'll enter my telephone number. So this time around, I use 020-370-1923. Then your PIN. So over here, this is where the major trick is. So your PIN is the last 4 digits of your mobile number if you haven't logged in before. So I'll enter 1923. Then I'll click on login. So now it will then allow me to create a new PIN. So over here, I'm just going to repeat the exact 4 digits for the current PIN. So the current PIN is going to be 1923. Then my next PIN, I will just select any PIN of my choice. So I have selected my PIN. I will just click on Save New PIN. Then I'm in my portal now. So this is the program I have registered for. I have registered for the AI-powered financial reporting analysis, and the status is not paid. So on my left-hand side here, you see the courses you have registered for. So over here, once you click on these courses, so you see that now over here you can make payments, or then payment and receipt. If you already made some payment, you can download your receipt over here. Then you also have certificate. This is where you access your certificate. Then this is also the amazing part of it. You can become a Knowsia ambassador, where you market for Knowsia, or you share any link with for Knowsia and you get income for referring Knowsia to other people. Then over here, you can also explore other courses that if you want to register for any other courses, it will be showing over here. So I'm going back to, let's say, my courses here, so I can make payment over here. And also, if you have been given any coupon that will reduce your amount that you want to pay, you can enter your coupon here. So over here, I have been given a coupon. This is the coupon for the AI-powered financial reporting. So I have copied it. I'm coming to paste it here. Then I'll click apply. So this will reduce the amount that I have to pay from 800 to 700 cedis. Now I'll have to pay only for 700 cedis. Now I can just click on pay now. So you have to double click it. So the first click will apply the discount. Then the second click will open where you have to enter your payment details, which is your phone number or your credit card. So I'm going to enter my phone number here. I'll click on confirm. So now it will show on my phone, a pop-up will show on my phone to enter my Momo PIN. So I have entered it. Once I entered it, then you see that the payment has been made successful. So now I can access my course now. So you see that now it has generated a receipt for me. So I can just click on download. I can download my receipt here. And also after the course, you also give a feedback. These are the materials that you have to access. So there's no material available yet. An assignment that has been given, and also a feedback after completion of the course over here. So this is how to get to your portal. Thank you.